Hi, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Clara, and we are members of Spring Forward, an organization centered around youth climate education with a specific focus on environmental justice.
So far, we've hosted over 20 online free workshops covering topics on environmental issues such as climate justice, how kids can help, and fast fashion.
We are starting a new series of drop-in workshops, which will be happening a couple of times each month and will be a low-commitment way to learn about climate justice through fun and interactive activities and games.
These lessons were created by high schoolers, including myself, on the Spring Forward team, with 7 to 13-year-olds in mind.
We will cover a wide variety of topics, everything from health and climate change to climate policy and deforestation. But regardless of topic, students will always leave with a clear action plan in mind.
These workshops will be ongoing, so visit our website for updated information at springforwardclimate.org.
We hope to see you there.